Hi there, everyone. I'm Alicia, and this is my husband, Chris. And Chris is an architect / real estate developer. And one of the things that we want to start doing is coming up with a better system for organizing your blueprints. So if you have an architect or a creative in your life, or if you yourself are an architect, we thought that this might be worthy of your time as we find a better way to organize and store these blueprints. I have some scissors here, some twine. We're actually going to use the twine to secure each blueprint in place. This was a makeshift organizing container just to kind of spruce it up when it was in Chris's office. And this is just a wastebasket that served its purpose for many, many years. This is actually what we're going to be using, and it is a clothes hamper. The cool thing about this one is that it actually has a divider, so it's going to make these blueprints even more, secure. We have a roll of paper towel here to collect any dust that may have accumulated. I'm also going to put on my gloves. So our first blueprint in our basket here. And rubber bands, they can deteriorate over time, so that's another reason why we're choosing to use twine. This is a remnant of an old rubber band. It's dried out now, and I guess the rest is disintegrated. For Chris's home office, having a flat file cabinet system would just take up way too much valuable real estate. That's why we're going with an option where we can store it as it's rolled. So far, Chris has gone through 22 sets of drawings. Yay, we've emptied the green box. It's looking good, Christopher.
I'm making progress.
So the cloud up. This is the debris from rubber bands. So they just disintegrate, and that's why you don't want to use it. We're in the home stretch. We put in some work today, Christopher.
These can be
finally put to rest.
Archived.
Finally archived. We have 3 more. 3 more. Yes. Oh, we're getting delirious. We're getting to the end.
This is good because there's things that I'm working on where, I need to list past projects and stuff like that.
So, yeah, you can enhance your portfolio. Ta-da! Look, everybody. Yay! There's definitely room for more drawings, but everything is organized. They've been rolled to where you can actually see the name of each project. Chris, how do you feel?
I feel very good about it.
This is everything that's going to be recycled. This is 22 sets of drawings that are being recycled. So that's awesome. And then as for keepers, we have 28 sets of drawings right here. So that is incredible. Thank you so much. And we are going to take this up into Chris's office. Yay.
I feel great.
All right.
I've been looking for this for years.
What is that?
That's a knob from my drafting table.
Oh.
It was in this trash can where I never would have found it on my own. So thanks, 𝗟𝗄𝘁.
You're welcome.
And these are
It's cheaper to keep up. Yes.
Those have seen better days.